Hey, wanted to take just a couple moments to remind you about our Reets Drying Academy Estimate Mastery Program. So one piece of that program is our Estimating and Negotiating Plus class. So we take our 2-day course, our world-renowned Estimating and Negotiating class, and we add in 2 days of Estimate/Xactimate training. Put those together just for you. You know what? Let's check it out together. So we're gonna start here in our classroom. We wanna make sure that you know everything that an estimator should know about Xactimate. We also wanna make sure you have a solid foundation, a really strong setting so that you can learn about Xactimate. The basics, yes. We're gonna go over sketching and line items and things of that nature. But then we're gonna get into some of the more advanced items, some of the fun stuff. You know what? We should head over to our flood house. That really is where the fun begins. So in the classroom, we talk about estimating in an office setting. But now we come to the flood house. We talk about how we can estimate in the field. We're gonna do that by using Xactimate Mobile and Xactimate Desktop. So feel free, send your estimator, send your technician. We're gonna talk about how we can streamline our estimating process to increase and make more valuable the information communication between the field and the office. Then we'll go back to the classroom. And then once again, we'll finish up here in our classroom, having a discussion about how Xactimate can make your company more profitable. You see, just changing one line item can affect your average dollar sale drastically. So we want to focus on it. We want to focus on justifying our scope of work, sending it to an adjuster. We're going to talk about all of this. Do you know why? Because it's not just an Xactimate course. It's an estimating course. So we look forward to seeing you. Sign up today.